Today, we are going to renovate 177 square meter of the ground floor, 184 square meter of the second floor, 184 square meter of the third floor. 8 toilet na hindi nahuhulog yung pintuan. Muntik ako eh. Pagbukas ko, sumama yung buong pinto eh. That's really worse. And I make sure na hindi magiging bodega ang itsura ng health center nyo. Parang bodega sa Oblo yan eh. Alam mo kung alam lang ng tao yung dinaranas nyo araw-araw, mararamdaman nila hindi ako nag-exaggerate. Kasi talaga naman. We'll have dental office, midwife's room, nurse's room, filing room, staff pantry, male and female toilets, balcony, treatment room, 2 additional rooms, storage room, male and female toilets, balcony, hand washing area, PWD toilet, common toilet, lahat ng toilet nandito. Sputum collection area, staining room, medtech room, pharmacy, minor surgery room, consultation room, reception area. That's what we're going to build. Yung mga pinadala ko sa Biata, pasensya na kayo ha. Patawarin nyo muna ako. Eh, saglit na lang naman. Konting case lang. Nalungkot kasi ako, sasaglit kong nawala, maraming sinarang health center. Nagulat ako ang health center pinapadami. Kasi ang populasyon dumarami. Hindi isinasara ang health center. So, blessing in disguise, these are the type of lesson in life that you can utilize adversity in your advantage. There is challenges here, o now, remove them, o yung isang saradong health center, kahit pa paano, panyanga-nyanga, o merong serbisyo, patay, nabuhay. Tapos may konti pa. But, while you're there, we're addressing your situation. At least kung meron mang buting pagsasakripisyo nyo, ay, hindi pala kami natenga. Pinalis kami para doon muna sa isang health center, yung pala aayusin yung aming trabahuhan. O now, nadali na. Natapos na. Eh si Andres, mabilis gumawa yan. Nadali. O, balik na kayo dito. O, pagbalik nyo naman dito, yung iiwanan nyo, ipapaayos ko. O, kasi luma na rin yun eh. O, tapos, yung Pamana Health Center, nabawi na natin. Yes, dating health center yun, sinara. O, dahil lang sa mga kapritsyo ng politiko. O, ngayon, I'm happy to inform you that DOH already approved the design of Pamana Health Center. So, ano susunod? Sapi na lang. So, we will reclaim. And, you know that the policy of the city is to focus on MBN. Minimum basic needs. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Oh. Mga taga 3rd District, lalo na to sa Nicolas. Next week, magkikita ulit tayo, mga chairman. A week or 10 days from now. Remember, we built Binondominium 1. We're going to build Binondominium 2. Kung napapansin nyo, naggagayak na yung lupa doon. Tingnan ninyo, kiniklear na. Wala pa tayong pera niyan. Kasi yung 30 years na squatter, sa gitna ng island, malaking bloke na natanggal natin. Tama, mali? O ngayon, yung another bloke, mabigyan ng dignidad ang pamumuhay. Basurero pa lang ako, paikot-ikot pa lang ako dito, squatter na yun. Ewan ko kung maalala nyo yung Elizalde Rope, yung condominium dyan sa tabi ng Just Gen. Dating Elizalde Rope yan eh. Kinukuha ko yung nylon na sinulid ng barko, yung tali ng barko, bago naging abaka. Yan. Kaya ikot na ikot ko yan. Lahat. Gusto ko naman, maiangat naman ng katatayuan ng mga tao ron. Sabi ko naman sa kanila, pumanatag kayo. Unti-unti yan. Bago nyo malaman, tapos na ubus na. So, may awa ang Diyos. Kaya yan ay bagay na aking pinagpapasalamat sa ating mga taxpayers of the City of Manila. Palakpakan natin sila. And on Friday, you will be surprised because we're going to produce the city government in the next 5 years. At the very least, 5 years. We'll produce more doctors, more nurses. We were going to be part of the nation-building approach. Your capital of the country will participate in producing medical professionals because by Friday, we are going to inaugurate Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila College of Medicine in Hospital ng Maynila. From 300 CAP students that we can produce yearly, we are now going to produce in a good day, someday, 5,000 medical professionals. And mind you, and I want you to be proud of it because you are Manileños, PLN for that matter is producing not only professional but top-notch professionals, medical professionals. Sabi nga, ang manok na nangingitlog ng ginto, dapat binibitaminahan, hindi pinuputol ang ulo at gawing inasal. We must continue to invest to those who produce like you. Today, we are investing in you, your city government, for you to have a better working environment. And hopefully later on, all the facilities, as we progress with our fiscal situation, as we normalize our fiscal situation, unti-unti, noong isang araw nga, na-disgrasya na nila sa akin yung EasyJet laptop nila. Dahil yun ang hiniling sa akin, nung pagkaupo ko. Dahil tumutukod na yung mga health center. But do your best, and God will do the rest. So that's why kayo na mga kapwa ko naglilingkod sa bayan, nakikisuyo ko sa inyo, ipakita ninyo yung pagmamahal, pagmamalasakit. Huwag niyo mamahalin yung kliyente niyo na jowa. Mamahalin natin bilang isang taong gobyerno na naglilingkod sa kanyang kapwa. Ipakita niyo sa kanila yung pasensya. Ipakita niyo sa kanila yung what you call empathy. That we understand. Alam niyo, sometimes you can ask the doctors here, particular to BNS and BHW. Tanungin niyo yung mga doktor. Minsan, hipo pa lang, gumagaling na tao. Because they feel it. They feel the sincerity of you helping. Kaya yung kung paano natin sila pakikitunguhan, ngiti nyo pa lang, ulam na. Pag-asa na, mano pa. Matapos ang lahat, after everything said and done, may natamasa silang gamot. May natamasa silang ekwipo o serbisyo. Kaya kahit ko kayo titisin ninyo, ang taong may sakit, ito'y paulit-ulit ko, natutunan ko to sa doktor, hindi ko natutunan sa eskwela na. Ang sabi sa akin ng doktor, ang taong may sakit, walang maiintindihang katwiran. Ibig sabihin, if a person is in pain, he will not listen to explanation. But if they see your face, yung nagkikinis ang chinsanso mo at Natasha mo, at nakikita nilang maaliwalas kang kausap, sometimes it absorb good vibes. So that's why I always try to, ako kahit magamagana, nagbubuhangin ng mata ko, pinipilit ko hanggat maaari. Because kailan mo ba makikita muli ang isang tao? What are the chances that you see them in the intersection, in the streets, in the boulevard? So make the best out of it, that encounter, the chance that you encounter somebody. At ang maganda nito, alam mo maganda rito sa trabaho natin, sa totoo lang come to think of it, magkuya-kuy kayo. magmuni-muni kayo. Alam mo maganda dito sa trabaho natin? Nakatutulong ka na sa kapwa, may sweldo ka pa.